Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted-through windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. Now this car also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. So let's have a look around the car. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.